Hey guys, it's your girl Diana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of all the items that I purchased online. If you haven't liked, commented, and subscribed, you can go ahead and do so right now. And just stay tuned for this video. The link to all of the items shown in the video will be listed in the description. So the first item I'll be unboxing today is the Nike Rise 365 2. I purchased a size 8 from StockX for $110. And the reason I bought these were because I stumbled upon a video of it being worn by a TikTok influencer and I instantly fell in love.
You on my mind a lot, don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, miss you every day. You like my
oxygen,
make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in, from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the show. Part 2 we don't need.
The second item is the Nike Brasilia Duffle bag, and I got this on the Nike website for $37. This is a size small, 41 liters. I also purchased the Nike Dri-FIT Advanced Ace from the Nike website. This was a size large/XL because the smaller sizes were currently sold out. I got this for $20. And since I love wearing caps when I'm going for walks, I purchased a second one in black, size large/XL for the same $20.
Artlist.io.
Make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in, from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the show. Part 2 we don't need no pause. Here with Misty we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't
Music
no cap
licensing reimagined.
The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. No cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Yeah, this every day. Got my heart no.
Artlist.io.
Break you in then.
I've been in love with the Nike Metcon 5 for quite some time. Therefore, I purchased it on eBay for $100 since it sold out on the Nike website. These sneakers are so sexy. Words can't even begin to describe the love I have for them. I usually wear a size 8, but I sized up to 8.5 to ensure it fits comfortably.
My steel. Got my heart no.
Heart no in the bed.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, this every day. Got my heart no.
Right now, I'm unboxing all the items that I got from the Nike website.
Break you in then. Yeah, this every day.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real.
This is the Nike Pro Indy Plunge sports bra. It's medium support and this is a size large. It was only $55. The next item I purchased is the Nike Swoosh Light Support Sports Bra, and it's non-padded. I got it in a size large and it was for $35 USD.
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you.
The third item is the Nike Pro Women's Mid-Rise Mesh Panel Leggings in size small. It was a bit too tight, so a medium would have been a better option.
Waistcoats we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life. You need a little me in your life. I wanna see the scene in your eyes.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey.
Move. Move. Body move. Move. Yo.
The final item is the Nike Pro Women's Mid-Rise 3-inch graphic biker shorts. I bought this in a size medium.
We were young, chasing dreams, didn't know what life would mean. Running wild, hearts full of fire,